Is Papa handsome?
No.
What do you mean no? Is Papa cute?
No. Please, I want that taba.
You want the taba?
Maraming netizens ang natuwa at kinagiliwan ang viral video ng light-hearted bonding nina Luis Manzano at ng kanyang anak na si Isabella Rose. Ang pinakamatinding highlight ay ang nakakatuwang interaksyon kung saan tinatanong ni Luis ang anak kung siya ay gwapo at cute na diretsyong sinasagot ni Peanut ng gnome. Naghatid ng tawa ang natural at prangkang sagot ng bata. Bukod pa rito, isa ring linyang nag-viral at kinagiliwan ang cute na request ni Baby Peanut na, "I want the taba." Ang mga sandaling ito ay nagpapakita ng masaya at mapagmahal na kulitan nilang mag-ama, kaya naman lalong hinangaan ng publiko ang pagiging bibo at nakakagigil ni Baby Peanut.
Is Papa handsome?
No.
What do you mean no? Is Papa cute?
No.
Is Papa smart?
No.
Is Papa strong?
No.
What? Again.
Papa, please eat my food.
Is Papa strong?
Papa, please eat my food.
You want Papa to eat your food?
Yes.
Wow.
Please eat that.
You show Papa your big bite first.
One big bite.
One big bite.
Please, I want that taba.
You want the taba?
Taba. 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 Taba.
You want the taba?